VAMSEE Krishna and my registration number is 19MIS0164, and now I'll be presenting my HBase for DA. So I'm using this Docker application to run my HBase, and it will automatically run my HBase in the command line interpreter. And as you can see, the HBase is already running. So list command will print all the tables that I've created. I've already created 2 to 3 tables for practicing, and now I'll be creating a table. Yeah, now I'll be creating this table in HBase. For basically, it is a movie table where there are column there are 4 column families: movie, cast, details, and ratings. And in the movie column family, there are 2 columns: name and year. In the cast column family, there are 2 columns: hero and heroine. And in the details column family, there are director and genre. And in the rating column family, there are IMDb ratings and stars. So I'll be creating this exact table in the HBase. So for creating the table, the code is create, then the table name. So I'll be giving the table name as move, and then the column family. So the column families will be movie, cast, details, and rating. So will be movie, cast, details, and ratings. Yeah, and now this command will create the table in the HBase. So you can see the table is successfully created, and the table name is MOV. And now if I press the list command, you can see the MOV table will be here. Now I'll be taking the screenshot. Yeah, and now the next thing will be doing is inserting the data. So now you can so now here you can see the data will be first data will be Spider-Man, and all the data I'll be inserting it one by one. So in the HBase you can insert the data column wise only. So and now for inserting the data into the table, the command is put move. MOV is the table name, and this will be the row number. One is the row number, and here we have to give the column name. So the first column is movie, double quotes, movie, and in here we have to give the table and column name. So column name will be name Spider-Man, and now you can see it is successfully running. And now the second, name is here. So you can see name, I have inserted name, and the second column in this column family is year. So I have to do that as well. So here I just have to replace it with year, and here the value will be to 2021. Okay, and now it is also done. And now second column. Now coming to the second column. Second column's column family name is cast, and now the column name is hero, and the hero of this movie is Tom. Yeah, and similarly heroine, and yeah, and now 2 columns have completed, movie and cast, and now details. So for details we just have to change this last 2 columns only. So details, and the first column in the details column family is director, and the director is, yeah, now it is also running successfully. And in the second column in this column family is genre, and genre will be action. Yeah, it is done. And now the 3 column families are done, and the last column family is left. The last column family is ratings, and the rating, inside the rating there is a column called as IMDb, and the rating will be, value will be 9.8. Yeah, for sure. unknown column family. Yeah, oh, yeah, and it is rating. Yeah, it is also done. And then inside this ratings, there's a another column name which is stars. Stars. Yeah, stars, and the star value will be 4.5. And now I'm done with the column 1, row 1, and I'll be doing the same thing for row 2 as well, where I'll be inserting some other data. So for that, put move is the table name, then 2, here 2 will come as I'm going to the second row. And now in here movie under name, and movie name will be uh, I Iron Man. Yeah, and similarly movie year will be 2015. 15. Yeah, now I'm done with the column 1 family and column family of movie. And now same I'll be doing it with the cast. Cast and the cast, the first column is hero, so hero, and similarly here for heroine. And okay, done. And uh, and the first two columns are done. So the third column family is details. So same, I just have to change the last two values only. So details, here the first detail is director. Director, the director is Anthony, and the genre of this film will be genre adventure. Yeah, and done with the third column family, and the final column family is ratings. So the final ratings. So ratings and IMDb, and the rating will be 9. And similarly for stars. And now I've inserted all the data into the table, and I'll just, yeah. And now all the data, like all the data I have inserted, and the third command will be to show the details. So for showing the showing the table, the command is scan, and inside this table name move. Yeah, you can see all the data will be data here. So the first data is, see, movie name, column is movie, and movie name is Spider-Man. And here similarly year is to 2021, and this is the first row, and here it's the second row, and it also saves the timestamp. So timestamp is nothing but when we inserted the data into the table. So you can see the cast is the column family, hero is the column, and heroine is another column of the same column family, and the values are also present. Yeah. And now the last command is to alter the table. So for altering the table, it's just the insertion command only. So you just insert the value again, it will automatically alter the table content. So for example, here I just want to change the movie name of the first row to from Spider-Man to Spider-Man Far From Home. So for that command will be put MOV, and we are going to change the first row, so 1, and then 1, and then which column which column. So we'll be changing the name. So which column family, movie column family, and name. And here the value will be changed. So value I'll be changing, which is Spider-Man Far From Home. Yeah, you can see it is also ran successfully. So just to check whether it's changed or not, I'll show the table again. Can move. Yeah, and now you can see that value of this column is changed, value of this row is changed, and that's all. That is everything in the HBase as of now. And in the future, for review purposes and all, I'll be connecting this HBase to the Hadoop system, so that I can use both of these to complete my project. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.